And when you have intestinal permeability problems or leaky gut, the enterocytes start to break apart and open up like elevator doors opening up. And they're bound together by these little things called tight junctions. And when they break and they fail and the cells open up, the particles of food can pass through in between the cells directly into your bloodstream. And there could be two protein groups called dipeptides, or three protein groups called tripeptides, four protein groups, five up to 17, 20,
Wow. Yeah.
whatever. So the body doesn't really understand what this is. It doesn't look like food. And so when it goes into the bloodstream, the body tries to protect you in the best way that it knows how. And it thinks that it's like an invading pathogen, like a bacteria or a parasite. And so it sets off this cascade of to the immune system sets off a cascade to identify and attack this invading pathogen that's what it thinks it is, and so it spins up your body's immune system. While it does that, the blood-brain barrier, which protects your brain, bad chemicals like mercury and cadmium and lead from getting inside your brain start to become porous, and they start to allow bad things into the central nervous system that can cause mood problems. It can cause cognition problems. It can cause learning difficulties. It can cause memory loss. It can cause behavioral problems, all kinds of stuff. And at the same time, the lung fields have a barrier there too. The the, um, the pulmonary barrier, and so that can cause respiratory issues. So this can cause problems in your gut, your brain, and your lung fields. So and the other thing about autoimmunity is that Um, if it's picking on kids over here, he's kinda like a schoolyard bully. If he's picking on kids over here, he's probably picking on kids in other places too. So it's
Yeah.
very, very common for people to have multiple sites of involvement, such as the thyroid, the skin, the brain, the gut, the joints, and, it's very, very common for a person that has one area of involvement to develop other areas of involvement too.